Hello everyone, welcome back to Mexmew. I'm Max, and today I'm going to expose a secret system app that runs 24/7 in the background, draining your smartphone's battery without you even realizing it. Before we dive in, please give this video a like so more people can optimize their devices. With this hidden setting, your phone will save much more power and you won't have to charge it nearly as often. Let's get started. Open your main settings, then scroll down to the Apps menu. Once you're there, tap the three-line icon or the filter menu, toggle on Show System Apps, and hit OK. Next, type the word Digital in the search bar. The app will appear. It's usually called Digital Wellbeing. Tap to enter. This app actually monitors every single thing you do. If you check the battery section, you'll see it consumes power constantly because its background activity is set to the highest level, and normally you can't even restrict it. Here's the fix. First, go to the storage section of this app, then click Clear Data and Clear Cache. After that, check the permissions. Tap the three dots in the top corner and select All Permissions. You'll be shocked at how many hidden permissions this app has just to track your phone usage. Now go back to the previous menu. Find the option Appear on Top and turn that permission off. Then, find Change System Settings and disable that as well. Now, for the most important part, to stop the tracking. Go back to your main settings menu. You'll see the Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls menu right above Device Care. Enter that menu, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Look for Data Usage Access or Usage Data Access and tap Settings. Find Digital Wellbeing in that list and disable the permission. And you're done. All unnecessary background tracking has completely stopped. As a result, your smartphone's battery life will be much more efficient and last way longer. Did you know about this battery draining feature? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I hope this tutorial from Mexmew helps you out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more secret gadget tips. I'm Mex. Thanks for watching. Good luck to everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.